And brothers and sisters, you know, victory has two meanings. The first meaning is a temporary one. The second meaning is a real one. The first temporary victory is over land and property, materialism, power, authority. That's a temporary victory. Everybody's gone through that. Even Pharaoh went through that. The biggest dynasties went through that and they fell. The biggest kingdoms went through that and they fell. And the second meaning, which is the real meaning, the victory of your faith, your cause, and what you stand for. And if it is justice, and it is the way that Allah is pleased with God, number one, because He owns the earth, that is true victory. And if you die on that, that is victory. We're all going to die, brothers and sisters, whether now or later. Some people die having not fulfilled anything meaningful in their life, have not gone in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, lived a life of total sin and disobedience, and still going to meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And there are those who lived a cause beyond what we can imagine, and on the Day of Judgment, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives them victory too.